Refreshing Coffee Toffee Cooler recipe, easy summer drink. Looking for a cool and creamy drink to beat the summer heat? Look no further. Today, we're whipping up a delicious coffee toffee cooler that's guaranteed to refresh your taste buds. Ingredients: 1 cup of chilled brewed coffee, 1/2 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of toffee syrup, 1 tablespoon of sugar, adjust to taste, 1 cup of ice cubes, whipped cream, for garnish, caramel sauce, for garnish, toffee bits, for garnish. Instructions: First, pour the chilled brewed coffee into a blender. Next, add in the milk, toffee syrup, sugar, and ice cubes. Now, blend everything together until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. Once blended, pour the coffee toffee cooler into a glass. Top it off with a generous dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of caramel sauce, and a sprinkle of toffee bits. And there you have it, a delightful coffee toffee cooler that's perfect for any summer day. Enjoy!
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.